In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to open a new activity when you click on a button, like this. You click the button and you are in the second activity. If you press the back button, you're back in the first activity. So first I'm gonna show you the easiest way. So we're gonna start a new Android Studio project. We don't care about the application name or the company domain, so we simply click next. The minimum API level is 19, that's fine for us, so we click next again. Now we select the empty activity, click next, and now click finish. Now we wait for. Once Android Studio is done, we're gonna click on activity main XML, select the button, and drag the button below the Hello World text view. Then we click infer constraints and change the text from button to open the second activity. And the Hello World text view to first activity. Now we go to the app folder, right click on it, select new activity, empty activity, and we create our second activity. The activity name is gonna be main2 activity, that's fine for us, so we click finish. Then we go to activity main2 XML, select the text view, drag it inside, click infer constraints and change the text from text view to second activity. Now we go to the main activity.java and create a new method inside. So we're gonna write public void. Now we need a name for a method, so I'm gonna call it open second activity. And we're gonna take view as a parameter. Now we press simply Alt Enter to import view. Now we're gonna write intent equals new intent. We're gonna press Alt Enter to import everything, and we're gonna pass this as first parameter and main2 activity, so the second activity, the activity we're gonna switch to, as a second parameter. So we write main2 activity dot class, and we fix the typo, so it's new intent. And now we simply gonna write start activity and pass the intent. It's important that the method we create is public and we take view as a parameter. Now we go back to activity main XML, select the button, and under attributes, onClick, we select the method. So we select open second activity. If we run the app, we see everything is working fine. We see first activity, and if we press the button, we open the second activity. If we press the back button, back to the first activity. So that's the easiest way. Now I'm gonna show you the most common way. So back in Android Studio, we're gonna select the button and delete the onClick we just created. Then we go to main activity.java. Now we're gonna write button equals find view by ID a.id.button. Now we press Alt Enter to import the button, and we simply gonna write button set onClickListener new view.onClickListener, and in the onClick method we simply gonna call or open second activity method. So I'm simply gonna write open second activity and we pass view as a parameter. And if we now run the app, we see everything is working fine again. We press the button, we are back in the second activity. If we press back, we are back in the first activity. So that's it. That's how you open another activity from a button click.